Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com, and Tyler, or I like to call him TT. Hey, and Trim and Tyler, tight TT. And Morgan's in the back, hiding again. Alright, hey, stick around, we got some footage for you, we're going to chat a little bit. Alright, be right back. So Lawn Dogs, it's going to be a wet week. Karma apparently knows it's opening weekend of bow season this weekend, and they want to put me behind to make me have to work this weekend and not be out in the woods hunting. Morgan's going up Saturday. She's going to kill herself a little baby deer. You're not? What are you going to kill?
At least a big doe or a buck.
Buck, big doe or a buck? So what tastes better, doe or bucks, or does it matter? Doe does taste better. Why does a doe taste better? Is it because the bucks have all the testosterone pumped through the blood? Especially because they're getting ready to be in rut. But anyway, what do you guys do when you have something you want to do on the weekend and then Mother Nature has other plans for you? Me and Tyler have been talking. We're gonna bust some butt. We're still gonna try to get this schedule done this week, but we're supposed to have rain all week. Today's like the only dry day. But yeah, anywho. All right, we'll get you some mowing footage here in a minute. Be right back. Well, lawn dogs, it has been a day. Wet mowing. As you can see, I even plastered the house a little bit with some of that clippings. We ended up having to blow it off. It's all good now. It's all clean. You know, just make sure that when you guys do that, make sure if you blow clippings on the houses and stuff, you know, you get it off. We try not to do it, but sometimes it happens. I think you're foolish to think that you can do it all the time without it happening once in a while. But we try not to. And yeah, but the grass is kind of blowing out in clumps, and you get that couple clumps that shoot kind of far and farther than what they normally would. So anyway, hey, what do you like? The new shirts, long sleeve, huh? Yeah. Let's see, Morgan and Tyler are dumping some clippings right now that we had to pick up, and I don't know if we can see in the mirror. Let's see here. Them back there. Oh, camera's got the Ulnar lawn care on the back of the shirt. Morgan has the orange long sleeve on. Tyler has the yellow, neon yellow short sleeve on. But anyway. So yeah, do you guys wait a lot of days before you mow? Or do you just try to get out the next day you can, even though the grass is wet and it's going to be thick and clumpy? Ugh. I guess we're going to have to scrape the decks too. Anyway, alright, we're going to get back to it. They're done. And we will... Well, we'll be back with you in a minute. So, lawn dogs, this is the clickbait. It's not really a joke. I am taking Tyler to the ER. He has asthma. This asthma is bad right now, and he ran out of his inhaler a couple weeks ago, or a couple days ago. So you guys know, you know, he moved here from Colorado. He hasn't really got established yet with medical, so he hasn't been able to get it refilled. So he is, well, we're taking him in right now. We're gonna drop him off. Daughter's gonna meet him there, and I'm gonna get back to work. But he's doing all right, but definitely needs to get that checked out. So yeah, maybe a little clickbait, but I'm not lying to you. All right, we'll see you later. Hey, lawn dogs. So as you can see, Tyler's back with us today. He did not have to spend the night at the ER or anything like that. So Morgan doesn't even know what happened. Do you, Morgan? Tyler, do you care if we share this with the YouTube world? That's fine. Good, because I'm already doing it anyway. Tyler, yesterday about 3 o'clock, started having an asthma attack while we were out mowing, and I had to take him to the ER. And then he got some steroid injections and some steroids to take home to help him get better. But he's good, you know, and he's back to work today, so we're good to go. Anything else you want to share with him? Because this is the end of the video. After this, the video is going out tonight. All right. All right, lawn dogs. Always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. I guess taking a picture of the grass. All right, let's float him out.